Dear students, today we are going to start our course Organization of Commerce and its first chapter Nature, Purpose and Scope of Business. Nature and purpose of business. Human have endless needs and to satisfy these we need business activities. The purpose of business to provide the economy and the society with the goods and services it requires. All economic, commercial, and trading activities are part of a business. The nature of business refers to the overall activity of a company in their cost to create market and they sell a service or a product. Essentially, the main focus for what a company does in a particular sector or industry is known as the company's nature of business. The purpose of business activity. Business carried out activities such as producing goods or providing service with the aim of selling them to customers and making a profit. As such, the purpose of business activity is to provide goods and services that customers want at a price that they are willing to pay. The scope of business is wider than that of the terms trade and commerce. The terms trade and commerce are often used synonymously. Industry is referred to as production of goods and materials, while trade and commerce refers to distribution of goods and materials manufactured. The activities which are done to earn income or money is known as economic activities. Economic activities may be different from person to person as some may involve in farming, the other may involve in industry or business, trade, agriculture and so on. All these activities are the main source of income of our country. We live in a society with our family, but our family cannot run without income or money. The family depends upon income. It will be difficult to manage the family without income. But if the family has the strong economic condition, then a family can fulfill their needs and desires easily. The economic condition of a family is also determined by the country because when the country is developed, then the economic condition of a family will be strong, and when underdeveloped, then there is a weak economic condition of a family. Economic activities are conducted with the objective to earn income. We expecting from that activity some monetary gain or other kind of gain from that. Business is an economic activity conducted with the objective of profit. Every economic activities are carried out with the purpose of earning income or maximization of their wealth. Business is an economic activity conducted with the objective of profit. We know that a business person will get a profit from their business activities. Business, profession, and employment are the example of economic activity. Human needs are increasing continuously. We know that human needs are endless, but scarcity is there. Man has to perform economic activity to satisfy his needs. Aim of economic activity is to get a monetary return, not only in cash or any other forms also. Okay, not only in cash, maybe in a different form, other kind of monetary gain they will get. Economic activity is the activity carried for the objective of earning income or a monetary gain. Business is an economic activity conducted with the objective of profit. Business, profession, employment are the example of economic activity. Economic activity means any activity carried for the economic gain. Non-economic activity means it not expecting any type of monetary gain. Non-economic activity is an activity performed gladly with the aim of providing service to others without any regard to monetary gain. Those human activities which are undertaken for personal satisfaction or to satisfy human sentiments are non-economic activity. Some activities carried out without expectation of economic gain, with the intention to do social service. There is no objective of economic benefit is termed as a non-economic activity. Some examples are social work, charity, parents care towards their children. They are not expecting any monetary gain from this type of the activity. So non-economic activity means it is not expecting any economic gain from doing this type of the activity. Economic activity. Economic activities means an activity carried out with the objective of economic benefits or monetary consideration. Those who are doing this type of activity, they will get some monetary gain, not only in cash form, other forms also considered. Maybe in cash form, otherwise other kind of gains they will get. Man has to perform economic activity for his livelihood. We know that we are doing different type of work to get monetary gain or to get money from that work. All economic activities are called productive activities. Economic activities example business, profession, etc. These activities will get a salary to them. That time they are providing their services to those who need. They will give a salary or wage to them, and it will make some productive activities. In an industry, one person is working there. That person is going to create some product or something there. That is the example of a productive activity. That is going to product or create some valuable asset there. All economic activities are called productive activities. A person doing economic activities satisfy the need of others and gets the economic benefit from him. For example, in an industry, one person doing his service, otherwise working, that time that person will give his mental or physical capabilities to that industry. In that time, that a industrial person, business person will give a salary or wages to him. A person doing economic activities satisfy the needs of others and get a economic benefit from him. As a worker, he will give his physical and mental capacity capabilities to the owner. Owner will give a salary to them as a reward for his service. Non-economic activity. The objective of non-economic activity is neither monetary gain. It is not expecting any type of monetary gain. It is not for any type of the monetary gain. It is for their own pleasure. They are service minded. So they are doing non-economic activities. Some persons in society perform activities without the objective of monetary gain or economic gains. They are not expecting anything from this activity. For example, parents care towards their children, social workers, then some are helping in old age home are the example of non-economic activity, but they are not expecting anything. They are considered as the it is a social work, it is the service to their nation. The motivating factors for these activities are service to country, service to society. Feeling of all these brings change in the life of a person. The motivating factor why they are doing this non-economic activity, so they are giving their service to country and service to society. Feeling of all these bring changes in the life of a person, means it will give some satisfaction to them, it will give some pleasure to them. Difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. There are four main difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. First one, objective. Economic activities objective is to get economic benefit. Non-economic activity motive is to social service, human service, or service to country. Expectation from economic activity. Expectation is profit, salary, fees, and maximization of wealth. Expectation of non-economic activity. Expectation is service to country, service to mankind, social service, etc. Type of economic activity. There are mainly three types of economic activity. They are business, profession, and employment. Then in non-economic activities, there is no type. Risk and uncertainty difference is there. In economic activity, there remain risk and uncertainty. Those who are taking risk in their economic activity, they will get a maximum benefit from that activity. Business person will take a more risky activity in his business field. He will get a maximum or more profit from that activity. So in economic activity, there is risk and uncertainty factor is there. In non-economic activity, there is no risk and uncertainty because of they are not expecting anything from this activity, only mental pleasure or satisfaction from this work only they are expecting. So there is no risk, there is no uncertainty factor present. These are the difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. First we studied economic activity, then non-economic activity, difference between economic activity and non-economic activities.